Welcome to the new episode of Tech News. TECNO presented world's first smartphone with a luminescent body. TECNO has introduced a special version of the Spark 10 Pro smartphone called Magenta Edition. For the first time, the novelty uses an eco-leather case that can change color due to its luminescent property. The back cover of the TECNO Spark 10 Pro Magenta Edition is partially made of artificial leather in bright purple color. The coating is made using luminescent technology, which allows it to absorb and transform light, emitting a glow in the dark. The company notes that to obtain this unique solution, it took 60 development cycles and more than 1,200 samples produced to ultimately achieve the desired effect. The coating of the smartphone case consists of a multi-layered composition. The base layer is printed 4 times in red and white ink to create a bright base. The main layer is applied 3 times by screen printing with luminous ink. Then a technical coating is applied 4 times to achieve a luminous base, and a decorative layer of transparent silicone skin covers it. Technically, TECNO Spark 10 Pro Magenta Edition is no different from the basic version of the smartphone. It has the same 6.8-inch IPS screen with a resolution of Full HD Plus and a refresh rate of 90 Hz, a MediaTek Helio G88 processor, a 50-megapixel main camera, and a 32-megapixel front camera, as well as a battery with a capacity of 5,000 mAh. TECNO has introduced the Pova 5 Pro smartphone. The gaming novelty received an RGB backlight of the back panel, a function of working from the network without charging the battery, a Dimensity 6080 processor, and an advanced audio system. TECNO Pova 5 Pro can glow in 9 colors. It lights up when receiving notifications, alerts, calls, and in-game actions. The smartphone is equipped with a 6.78-inch display with a Full HD Plus resolution and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The hardware platform is represented by a MediaTek Dimensity 6080 processor with Mali-G 57MC2 graphics and 8 GB of RAM. The main camera of the novelty is dual. The resolution of the main module is 50 megapixels. There are also stereo speakers with high-res and DTS support. According to the manufacturer, the evaporation chamber installed in the smartphone reduces the heating in games by 2 degrees Celsius. For gaming without battery wear, bypass charging is provided. The smartphone can work directly from the network without recharging the battery. The built-in battery for 5,000 mAh, which is enough for 9 hours of gaming and 13 hours of watching online videos, can be quickly charged with a 68-watt charge. Up to 50% of the battery is charged in 15 minutes, and up to 100% is charged in 45 minutes.